Alright, Assalamualaikum. If you want to get 15 USDT for free, all you have to do is do a hot reaction, and this is going to be announced by 1st of April. Or if you want to be a part of my premium, you can always come here and check the announcement and click on the YouTube tab. Now for that one, you have to join Discord, and it's very simple. Just go to the YouTube description and click on Discord and join. Boom. What are you waiting for? Come on. All right, let's talk about Gala. So it's been a tough situation for Gala to cross this resistance up here. I've been making some consistent updates on Gala, and I've been actually looking on Gala. And what exactly is Gala trying to do here? So we're expanding a little bit, okay? So we got this first touch right there, second touch here, third touch right there, fourth touch right here. So if you connect the dots, you got like 1, 2, 3, 4, move up like this. And the question is, are you coming to look for the lowest part of that thing? Is this going to happen or not? But if it does happen here, this will be the best buying opportunity you're ever going to find for Gala. Because let me tell you one thing: if I do extend, let's look at the good thing. I'm going to tell you some few things on this video for Gala as well. So look at that one. So this is a bullish pattern like this, as I told you before. It's just a smaller version that we had previously, and that was where you had this line right over there and the descending like this right over here. So you went up, came down, and then you broke it and you went to the technical target. So that's exactly on a larger pattern. You're making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe come down again and then try to move to the upside as well. But the main point here is you have a technical target to come here. If you ever, even if it doesn't come down like this and you start to pump in the middle and then you go back up and Bitcoin gets bullish and then Bitcoin pushes it up, it will be important to break this resistance. Breaking that resistance, you can actually try to look for an entry and whatnot. So the name of the pattern is as follows. It's known as the right angle descending broadening wedge, because there's a right angle being made right here, and it's a descending broadening wedge, and that is a bullish wedge pattern formation, by the way. So the question really is, can you actually get bearish and actually come to the downside like this, or pump in the middle and then try to go back up? That I cannot answer. But what I know is, if you do end up coming down here, I'm definitely buying there, because the best thing about it in the future, because this is, by the end of the day, if you come down, it's still a bullish pattern. In the future, when you go back up like this, that means you're looking for another massive technical target, and that's going to be, if you take the trend line again, take the top to that bottom, if it does come down to the bottom there, and you're looking for a bigger move. I mean, this is a smaller target, and then you get a bigger target in the future. So that's pretty much it for this update. Come on Discord, get 15 USDT participation. You can be lucky and have a free dinner, or be a part of my private signal sector as well. For the next 7 days, it's going to be closed, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.